If file history is not working on your Windows 10 computer, do not worry as we can show you how to resolve its functionality in this video. First, check for updates by going to Settings, select Update and Security, choose Windows Update, and then select Check for Updates to update your operating system to the latest version. Now once you have clicked this option, this will automatically update your operating system. You can also try restarting the indexing service. Do that by searching the Services application, find Windows Search, double-click on it, set it to automatic if disabled, then restart the service. Next, you can update driver by launching the Device Manager, expand disk drives, right-click on your drive, select Update Driver, then install the latest driver version. Once done, restart your computer and check if the issue is resolved. Another way is to use System File Checker. Do that by pressing the Windows key and the letter R all together, type in CMD, and then press the Ctrl, Shift, and Enter key all together to open the command prompt as an administrator. Now in the command prompt, type in the following, wait for it to be completed, restart your machine, and check if the file history is working correctly. Lastly, check USB drive settings. To do so, open File Explorer, right-click on your USB drive, select Properties, go to Security tab, select Owner or User, click Edit, ensure all options in the Allow column are checked, then apply the changes. Now these steps should help resolve the file history issues in Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.